Voicy speech to text AI is a brand new AI software that's just hit the scene. And today, I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know about it before you decide to give it a try. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone looking for reliable transcription, stay tuned to see if this tool deserves a spot in your toolkit. I'll also share how you can try Voicy speech to text for completely free. Just check the link in the description below. Now, first off, let me tell you why this is such a game changer. Voicy speech to text AI is one of the best newly released transcription tools, designed to convert audio and speech into text with incredible accuracy. But it's not just about basic transcriptions. It promises high-level functionality that outshines most of the competition. For anyone who's ever used automated transcription services, you know how frustrating it can be to end up with errors or misspellings. With Voicy, you get a tool that's fast and, most importantly, reliable. Let's dive into the 7 key reasons why you need to pay attention to Voicy speech to text AI. The first big selling point is its accuracy. Voicy is built to understand multiple accents and languages, making it versatile for global users. It has an advanced AI engine that improves transcription quality over time by learning from corrections and user input. That means over time, Voicy's transcription accuracy can only get better. Another huge factor is its speed. We've all been there. Waiting for a transcription to process can be tedious. But with Voicy, the software can transcribe long audio files in minutes, saving you valuable time. Plus, it has an impressive real-time transcription feature, which is perfect for live events, interviews, or even podcasts. No more waiting for hours for a transcript to be ready. Next, let's talk about ease of use. Unlike many transcription tools that have overly complex interfaces, Voicy has a clean, intuitive dashboard that's easy to navigate. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Just upload your audio or video file and let Voicy do the rest. It's really that simple. If you're worried about compatibility, don't be. Voicy supports a wide range of audio and video file types, including MP3, WAV, and even video formats like MP4. That means whether you're transcribing an interview, a podcast, or a YouTube video, Voicy will handle it with ease. Now here's where it gets even better. Voicy also comes with speaker identification features. This is essential for podcasts, interviews, and meetings where multiple people are speaking. The software can accurately assign text to specific speakers, making it much easier to follow conversations, especially when you have several voices involved. One feature that really sets Voicy apart is its integration capabilities. It can easily integrate with popular platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and even transcription editing tools. This makes it a perfect option for professionals who want to streamline their workflow without bouncing between different apps. Finally, Voicy is affordable. While transcription services can get expensive, Voicy offers a competitive pricing structure that makes it accessible for businesses of all sizes, from small creators to large enterprises. If you're intrigued by what you're hearing, don't forget that you can try Voicy speech to text AI completely free by clicking the link below. But here's the deal. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've personally selected the best ones, including Voicy, and I highly recommend you check them out. So, whether you're a content creator, business professional, or just someone who needs high-quality transcriptions without the headache, Voicy speech to text AI is worth giving a shot. It's fast, accurate, user-friendly, and packed with features that make transcription easier than ever. If you're ready to see what it can do, try it out for free using the link below, and don't forget to check out my other recommended AI tools that can take your business to the next level.